guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got a mystery pin unboxing for you guys. Now this is an extra video that is coming out for you guys, but I could not wait to open these. These pins are from the One Family Pin event that happened in Epcot. We have got two different types of mystery pin from the event. This is the first type, and the first type I have two boxes of them. In this type we can collect Luca, Coco, Mickey and Minnie, Goofy and Donald, Big Hero 6, Frozen, Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Mulan, The Lost Boys, Star Wars, Black Panther and Avatar. So we are going to start with this set and we'll see who we can collect. Olaf, Kristoff, Anna and Elsa. It's so glittery and gorgeous. I'm not 100% sure if I will be keeping that one. If we look at the back of the pin here, it does say limited release. These are just gorgeous. On to our next pin. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys. I am so happy. This is one of the pins that I wanted. This is Hero and Baymax. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, they are gorgeous, aren't they? There's the red glittery element around the edge. Oh, I just love it so much. Oh, it is gorgeous. So gorgeous. On to our last box of this series. We've got another two pins in the box. Let's see who we have got. Okay. This one is very nice, but will be going for trade for sure. That is Goofy and Donald. I love the glittery green on the edge. That is stunning. I do not collect Goofy and Donald though. Last pin from this set. I wonder who we have. Okay. Oh, that's quite cool actually. Just sent the pin back flying into the box that's next to me. But this is Mickey and Minnie. And what I like about this one is the writing at the front is in Braille. That's so unique. I've never seen that on a pin before. And then you've got the shiny yellow or glittery yellow around the edge. That will unfortunately be going for trade. So I think from that series I have only collected one that I am planning to keep. Now I have considered collecting Olaf and some Frozen pins because I do love Frozen. But there are things from this set I am more interested in having. So I am looking for Black Panther, Star Wars and Coco. So I've got 3 pins that I can use to hopefully trade for those, which will be really nice. Now we're on to our next pin set. So in this series we can collect Aristocats, Pinocchio, Pocahontas, Rapunzel, Antonio, Moana. That's Pongo or Perdita, and I think Roger. We've got Alice, Wally, which you could probably guess I would like. I think that's Oliver and his owner, Nana, and then Captain Marvel and Goose. These are a bit tricky to get into. So 2 blind bags again. Let's see who we have. Okay, definitely not something I'd ever plan to collect, but still very, very beautiful. We have got Miko and Pocahontas. How cute is Miko there? This will definitely be going for trade. The last pin in our unboxing. Yes! I got one of the ones that I wanted. So, so happy. We have got Captain Marvel and Goose. Oh, isn't that stunning? I love those bright colours. So these are all the pins that we have collected today. Out of everything that I was looking to collect from these sets, I only managed to get 2. So we have got 4 pins for trade. So hopefully I'll be able to get everything else that I am looking for. Please let me know in the comments down below which pin was your favourite. I would also love to know if any of you subscribers from America were able to go to the pin event and what it was actually like. That'd be really interesting to hear from you. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I hope you have enjoyed this pin unboxing and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!